Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley number CB191 4.5 by 4.5 32D full mortise standard weight concealed bearing stainless steel base satin finish hinge. This is a real flagship sort of property from Stanley, meaning while it's a common hinge in its dimensional properties, it's uncommon and top of the line, so to speak, for hinges as they come from Stanley for a regular one, meaning it's a CB hinge, concealed bearing. Okay, you've got concealed bearing packets inside of here, which are maintenance free, no oil, no grease. You've got a 191 hinge, which means that it's standard weight, but it's stainless steel. So it's not ferrous at all. Well, a very marginal amount of magnetism to it. Screws are included. Those are also going to be stainless steel. And where you're going to use a hinge like this is an application, well, where you've got to have a stainless base item. You might have an exterior door. Well, any exterior door would certainly benefit from being stainless steel, but especially those that are in a coastal sort of application. This hinge happens to be going to Hawaii. For a police department there on an exterior door near the coast. There you go. This is a 4.5 by 4.5 inch hinge. Obviously the entire gamut of sizes are available from Stanley. This is a full mortise hinge. You can see from the swag of the hinge leaves that when they're brought parallel, they're meant to be mortised flush to the door and frame. The leaf thickness is 134 thousandths of an inch. That's considered standard weight. The location of the screws are template pattern. Features a stainless steel pin as well, and the CB191 is a 5-knuckle hinge. Typical button tip is standard on this. This hinge happens to be a non-removable pin. You can see that there's a set screw there, and that set screw is drilled and tapped into that knuckle. The pin itself has a groove cut into it such that when the pin is driven, or the set screw is tightened down, you can't pull the pin out because it seats into the groove. When you back that screw out a bit, you can tap the pin out for installation of the door and frame. There is a link below this video to what's called the template, which gives everything important dimensionally about this hinge and any other hinge. This template is a like a kitchen sink sort of solution. It covers so many different models of hinge by Stanley. The most important thing really to know is that you have the CB191 and then the CB179. That's the same hinge, just in a steel base sort of item. Down below it you've got the CB199, same hinge, just a thicker leaf thickness. For a 4.5 it'd be 180 thousandths, and then all of those other variations, all of the other sizes and everything there important dimensionally. The name Stanley is synonymous with hinge manufacturing, and this is a industry standard sort of product. Any questions on the Stanley CB191 4.5 by 4.5 32D satin stainless steel hinge or any other Stanley product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.